Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.